How to add long video on Facebook story. Firstly, launch Facebook app on your device. Ensure to sign in and then log into your account. After that, tap create a story at top left corner of the screen and choose a video or photo from your gallery. So if this is the particular video that you choose, which is 1 and 42 seconds long, when you tap the share button at the bottom right corner of the screen, it will be added to your story. So wait until the story being added to your story and see whether the full video or the long video has been added on your Facebook story or not. So basically when you upload any kind of long videos on your Facebook story, what happens is even if it is uploaded on your Facebook story, Facebook will automatically shorten it and your full video won't be posted and it will be trimmed to a certain extent. So let me show you that only 25 seconds long video will be uploaded and added to your Facebook story. So the only trick in order to add long video on Facebook story is you can use different kinds of trimming applications like CapCut, and you can easily make different segments up to 25 seconds of the full video, and after that you can easily add the 3-4 segments of that video and make it a long video on a Facebook story. So that's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos.